Adding apps to your Hisense Smart TV depends on which operating system your TV uses. Hisense TVs come with different platforms, each with its own app installation method. Your Hisense TV may run on one of these 5 operating systems. Each system has its own app store and installation process. Before installing any apps, make sure your Hisense TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. This connection is essential for downloading apps. For Vita TV, navigate to the Apps section from your home screen. You can browse through available apps or use the search function to find specific apps, then select Install. For Google TV and Android TV, access the Google Play Store from your home screen. Use the search function to find your app, then select Install to download it. For Roku TV, access the Roku Channel Store. Browse through categories or search for specific channels, then select Add Channel or Install to add them to your TV. For Amazon Fire TV, navigate to the Apps area from your home screen. Browse through different categories like movies, TV shows, or games, then select your desired app to download. Remember these key points when adding apps to your Hisense Smart TV. Always ensure you have an internet connection, identify your TV's operating system, and follow the specific installation process for your platform. Keeping your Hisense Smart TV updated is crucial for optimal performance. Hisense provides comprehensive support for their Vita platform with an industry-leading 8-year update commitment. Hisense is advancing display technology with Mini LED Pro and Quantum Dot innovations. These technologies deliver enhanced brightness, deeper blacks, and more vibrant colors for an exceptional viewing experience. Artificial intelligence is now integrated into Hisense TVs to automatically optimize both picture and sound quality in real time. This smart processing adapts to your content and viewing environment for the best possible experience. Gaming performance is a key focus for Hisense TVs. Modern models feature high refresh rates up to 165 Hz, HDMI 2.1 support, and variable refresh rate technology for smooth, responsive gaming experiences. Hisense continues to deliver exceptional value by combining premium picture quality with smart features at affordable prices. This commitment to value makes advanced TV technology accessible to more consumers while maintaining high-performance standards.